the file will get the read and write permission for owner of this file. And the third option is execution. So if you see for the next folder, the folder by default will get execution for each and every user. So this is the way you need to divide three characters. First three characters. Forget about first character. I will explain later. After removing first character, just take the next three characters here. Next three characters permissions would be owner of this file, and the next three characters will be group of this file, the group permission, and the last three characters will be others. Other than that, owner and the group members, whoever is there in this machine, so last three characters permissions will be applied for others. So for example, if you see this is ctl.configuration file, so how exactly it is displaying. So these three characters are showing, so R, W, dash. So in the sense, R in the sense read, W in the sense of write, hyphen, if you have X is also there, then execution permissions will be available for the owner of the file. And the next next three characters will be group permission. So whoever is group members are there, those can be only read this file. They have permission called read only. They cannot have a write permission or execution permission. And same like others also, other than root and group members, whoever is there, everyone can get only the read permission. So that's what it is showing this slide. R is in the read, W is in the write, and X is in the cells execution permission. And if you want to change any kind of permissions for this file, we have the simple command called user mod. Using user mod, you can change any kind of file permission. And there are a couple of numbers also. With these numbers also we can manage. Let's go through that, how we are going to change any kind of file permission. So for example, if I want to see file 2 permissions, so currently in the same way, the owner can have the read write, the group can have read only, others can have only read. So for example, now I want to change the group permission. I want to add the write permission for this file for the group members. What I can do, user mod, the G plus W. So G in the sense the group members will add the W permission and provide file 2 information. Sorry, I did it wrong. G plus W is the same way. Sorry, chmod I used a wrong command. The chmod is the command. User mod is going to change the user permission. Sorry, the G plus W, and to provide this the file 2 information. So now if we verify again, now you can see the group members got the W. See, for these three letters, now it's changed to, it added a write permission for group members. So now if you want to add a write permission for others as well, so you can use in the same way we have to provide A plus W, everyone can get the permission on the write permission on this file. So in the same way you can use A as well. So by default everyone will get the full permission like W, RW, RW, RW. In the same way, if you want to add execution permission for this for everyone, just provide hyphen plus X, then it will change entire file permission into RWX, RWX, RWX now. So everyone will have the entire permission, read, write, execution, read, write, execution, read, write, execution. So instead of using these the letters and everything, we have the simple option called the numbers. We can mention all these things into the different way. So read in the sense number 4, write in the sense number 2, execution in the sense number 1. Just remember 4, 2, 1. So if you want to provide read permission for any kind of user, you can use the 4 number, and if you want to provide write permission, use the 2 number. Execution will have the 1 number. So for example, for this file 2, I want to provide only read permission for the user. Other users I want to provide nothing. I don't want to provide any kind of permission for the others here. Now what I will do, use the chmod command. So you need to provide 3 letters here. So first letter would be the owner of the file, the second the number would be the group of the file, and the third number would be other access. So now my intention is to provide only read access, read in the sense number 4, and others I don't want to provide any kind of permission. So that is the reason 0, like the group is 0 and others is also 0. So now what it is going to do, now after providing this command, it will change like R, and remaining things will be dash dash dash. See, now everything is changed. So only the read permission he got on this file. Everything is changed. So for example, if you want to provide the read permission to group as well. So what you need to do is, group is the second number. Just use the 4 number. 440. It's going to change. It's going to provide a read permission to the group members as well. And now if you want to provide write access for user and as well as group. So what you need to do is, you need to increase the number. You're not going to add any number here. Instead of 4, write is going to be 2. Now what you need to do is, you need to the plus that number, the 4 plus 2. If you provide 4 plus 2, 6. So now 4 plus 2, 6. It will show you for the owner of this file. You can see that write permission as well. In this way, you need to add these numbers. 4, 2, 1. 4 is read, 2 is execute, like 2 is write, and execution is the 1 number here. So in this way, you can add numbers one by one here, and file permission will be changed. Only you need to use the 3 numbers here, and the first number is going to display like show like what are the owner of this file, and the second number it's going to display like what are the group permissions of the specific file, and the last number is going to show you what are the permissions for others. So you need to divide. For example, if you see the file permission in this way, 6444. So in the sense, the 6 in the sense 4 plus 2. You need to divide in this way. 4 plus 2 in the sense read and write permissions will be available for owner of this file. And the next 4 in the sense, the group and others will get only write permission on that file. And the next file 775. You need to divide 7 in the sense 4 plus 2 plus 1. That means the owner of the file will get access like read, write, execution. Let's execute that one. chmod 775. And file 2. So you can see that owner will get read write execution, group will get read write execution, others will get 5 in the sense 4 plus 1, only read and execution, no write here. See, owner got the full permission, read and execution, group also got read and write execution, last 5 in the sense only 4 plus 1, read and execution. So this is the way you can change any kind of file permission a very simple way. So you need to remember that these numbers, read is 4, write is the 2, execution is 1, and in these 3 numbers you need to add whatever permission it is required. So in that simple way, you can use the chmod command and provide those numbers and provide the file name, then automatically file permissions will be changed. So this is the way you can manage any kind of file permissions here. Are you able to understand, Sunil? Any doubts as of now?
No.
Yeah, thank you. So we will see the remaining commands in the tomorrow. So we can continue this grep and sort a couple of commands available. So we will go through all this editor, the simple way and all those things, and the next session tomorrow same time. So we can continue for the remaining the commands. So okay, Sunil, bye. Thank you.